Hey YouTube, I'm going to quickly unbox the Corsair K95 Platinum RGB. Let's do it. Alright, here it is. The K95 Platinum RGB. The arguably best mechanical keyboard of 2017. Ooh, there it is. That beautiful black box. And the keyboard in all of its keyboard glory. Now let's set the keyboard to the side for one quick moment. Here I imagine we have some instructions and the rest. Oh, that's cool. Some different kinds of switches and the little tool to get them out. And then I imagine those are the instructions, and here is the rest. Now let's see. Oh, open. Oh, see, they make it really, really simple for people like me that don't know how to open a box in a nice way. And it clips in to the keyboard like this. So, alright, now let's look at the keyboard again. Set that over there. It has a nice and braided texture to the cable. And this is the Cherry MX Brown switches. So a nice middle ground between speed and blue. And it has a USB pass-through for a headset or a mouse, or any USB drive that you want to use, but those are some ideas. Alright, well that's my unboxing of the Corsair K95 Platinum RGB, and I will be doing a review over this keyboard, and I still will do my mouse one too, for the Logitech G402. Anyway, good night.